Panarom. And Alfonso and I are both wearing slippers, and it's probably a bad idea. But I mean, there's nothing else that I can wear because I only have shoes and slippers. And let me show you. I can't wear shoes because of this, so I have no choice. And I bandaged my tattoo, and I'm wearing this like flowy dress. So basically I look like a pregnant lady with many bandages on me. And I'm really tired. Are we going to like level 10 or something? Are we?
Yes.
Oh, okay. We have 3 more to go. We can do this! Whoa!
I think it was a bad idea to wear this.
Why? What's the Korean word? Is it like ganbare?
No, that one is Japanese.
Oh! Well, at least I got it right a little bit. What's the Korean one? Is it just like fighting?
Yeah, it's fighting.
Oh my god, they're all the way there. And we're still here. And as usual, Chanel is just like way ahead of us.
Why is it so slow?
I don't know. I think it's they walk too fast. I have very short legs. Okay, keep going. Level 8. How do we cross this? People with short legs have no idea. We take a short one then. Hello! We're at the waterfall and yeah, it's quite nice.
We're contemplating to remove like our shirts.
Being typical Asians.
Just do it!
Okay, come out.
In the camera! On the camera!
No! Okay, see you guys. Wow, people so nice here! Yeah, we got back from the waterfalls and everyone went to Maya for lunch. And me and Chanel, we have mangoes to finish, so we...
Duty!
Yeah, so we came back for lunch. And then the driver saw us walking back and then he said he could just give us a lift. So nice! So yeah, I'm gonna eat mangoes.
About, like our initial driver, and then he wasn't free today, so he sent his father like to drive all of us.
So nice! After dinner, now we're at like a supermarket and the girls are getting some groceries. And then after that, we're gonna go to the market that Al wants to shop at.
Coconut water with
matcha
inside. Oh my god, cool camera. Oh my god, I'm red. Colorful. Really bad.
So colorful.
It's the same thing inside.
Wow.
Oh, but I don't like green tea. Yes. I'm gonna try it. You see my face? Making my hair. Princess. It's really weird. Bye.
My turn.
Is it weird?
Yeah, it's like at first you taste the matcha, then after that the coconut water comes in.
Yeah.
I like.
Oh, she likes it.
Aww.
Very nice. Want to try it?
It's like, it's not very strong.
She doesn't
but
like green tea though.
yeah,
But
it,
just
tastes,
try it
it doesn't taste like green tea. It's like jasmine, like the iced tea.
I like it.
It's nice.
Wow.
It's actually nice.
I like. So we just left Maya Mall and now we're at this like small little local market that's apparently open only every weekday. And we just saw the cutest wooden stuff.
Yes, wooden trays and wooden bowls.
Yeah, oh my god. We're gonna come back next Monday and we hope it doesn't rain so that we can get like the wooden stuff. Guys, look at the dog. Look at the puppy. Oh, it's a Shih Tzu. But please don't ever support the pet breeders. How cute. So sad. So now we are at this night bazaar and I just bought souvenirs for friends and my mom. And Alphonsine also bought some. So now we're just gonna continue walking around, make use of the money we spent on getting the song towel here. So yeah, hopefully we'll be able to find like more cute stuff and maybe like nicer clothing as well. Yeah, but there are a lot of people here and she's being like so what? I don't know, like wary of your surroundings. But yeah. But this area is so dodgy. I don't really like this area. It's like all the bars and